Cryptocurrencies have become a global phenomenon known to most people. While still somehow freshwater, banks, governments and many companies are aware of its importance. In 2018, you will have a hard time finding a major bank, a big accounting firm, a prominent software company or a government that did not research cryptocurrencies, publish a paper about it, or even start a so-called blockchain project. But beyond the noise and the press releases, the overwhelming majority of people, even bankers, consultants, scientists and developers, have a very limited knowledge about cryptocurrencies. So ask yourself, what really gets people interested into the cryptocurrency space? The honest truth is that they are in for the quick money, of course they are, but actually quite a few stay, and they stay for the tech. It is the underlying technology called blockchain. Its first and most adopted application is a simple but potentially revolutionary monetary system, also known as Bitcoin. So, who invented this thing everyone is talking about? We don't know, and that's exactly what makes it so interesting. All we know is that after the financial crisis in 2008, one person, or maybe even a group of people, under the name Satoshi Nakamoto, released a statement on SourceForge, an open source development platform, announcing the first release of Bitcoin, a new electronic cash system that uses a peer-to-peer network to prevent double spending. It's completely decentralized with no server or central authority. The single most important part of Satoshi's invention was that he found a way to build a decentralized digital cash system. In the 90s, there have been many attempts to create digital money, but they all failed. After seeing all those centralized attempts fail, Satoshi tried to build a digital cash system without a central entity. This decision became the birth of the first cryptocurrency. It was the missing piece Satoshi found to realize digital cash. His major innovation was to achieve consensus without a central authority, and that innovation is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It is a digital payment system, but it is very different from credit cards, PayPal, or any other ways to send money, because there is no bank or a financial middleman involved. Instead, people from all over the world, so-called miners, help to move the digital money by validating others' Bitcoin transactions with their personal computers. They use a special software to solve math problems. Each miner is rewarded proportionate to the work he or she provides. This creates an incentive for more people to mine. There will only be 21 million Bitcoin to ever be created, which will be fully issued by the year 2140. The network is online and available 24 hours a day, 365 days per year. There are no days off. As of February 2015, over 100,000 merchants and vendors accepted Bitcoin as payment. A study by the University of Cambridge has shown that in 2017 there were up to 5.8 million unique people using Bitcoin. If you want to buy Bitcoin today, there are a variety of exchanges to choose from. The ones with the largest trading volume are Bitfinex, Binance and Huobi, but there are many more. Do you want to be updated about the latest crypto news? Get in touch with other crypto enthusiasts and become part of a great community? Feel free to join our private Telegram group following these easy steps. Subscribe, turn notifications on, and fill out the form provided in the description below. If you learned something today, let us know in the comments and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.